that is Royal Assembly of Shivaji Maharaj. Actually, he was coronated in on 3rd April 1675, right? So when he was coronated, that time the person who was a Britisher, he was present. You might have seen the picture. In that picture, there is a Britisher. His name is Henry Oxenden, right? So he stayed here almost 1 month. I think 23 days. So almost 1 month he stayed here, and whatever reports he has written, from that we come to know what exactly happened. Okay, so on every 3rd April, if you come here, 10 to 12 lakh people are here present on Raigad every year. Okay, and actually how it looked, they make it, they design it like that every on 3rd April. Okay, so if you want to come, you can come here, but there is so much rush, you cannot see anything else. So that is first thing. Second thing, it is said and it has been written, because you just imagine when a king is going to be coronated, so of course all the details are minutely written, isn't it? So whatever made that time, Henry Oxenden writes it. He talks about the four spears. Then the person who was his Pradhan, he has written all the details. It is available with us. Okay. So according to that, they say that the throne of Shivaji Maharaj was made up of 32 man. Okay, in Marathi we call it as man. 1 man is equal to almost 40 kg. 40 kg. 1 man is equal to 40 kg. It means almost 1240 kg gold was used for making this throne. Okay, but now we don't know where is that throne that we discussed in the class. That someone said it was made here, backside. Okay, because as you know, the history says whenever you attack any empire, so that throne is useless for them, isn't it? Though we worship the throne, it is very pious, very sacred for us. But for them, it's just a victory. So they do it. Our Peshwas, they also have done it when they reached to the Delhi, isn't it? So here, according to our Rajasuya Yajna, you might have heard about it. कौन से राजा ने किया था राजसूय यज्ञ? ओके, अश्वमेध किसने किया था? राम ने किया था. राजसूय युधिष्ठिर ने किया था. सो हमारे संस्कृति कोश में लिखा गया है कि एक राजसूय यज्ञ करने के लिए मिनिमम वी नीड 22 months. 22 months. So you just imagine if Shivaji Maharaj is sitting for 22 months doing yajna, what Aurangzeb must have done then, isn't it? So he could not sit. So he invented something new. What was that? So he separated two things. All the rituals of Rajasuya Yajna he separated and took out only the process of coronation ceremony. So that was of 8 days. Okay. So for those 8 days, all the ceremonies and all the rituals which are mentioned in our Vedas, they were performed here. Okay. So Gaga Bhatta was here. So he came here. So that coronation ceremony we are going to see now. It's a very beautiful place, and as I told you, completely the acoustics has been used here. Okay. So if we maintain the silence over there, you can see the voice, the echoes are created over there, right? So that we'll see now. And after that, in front of it, there is Nagar Khana. We call it as Nagar Khana. In English, I think it is called Drum Hall. Yes, okay. So there they used to bang the drums. And when the drums are banged, then the gates of the fort will be closed or they will be opened. So that was the system. So this whole passage you can see here. But there is one wonderful thing in front of that. You can see everything is in the level, but there is one rock. It is still as it is. It has been kept. You have to find it using your constructive knowledge till now, whatever you have achieved. You will tell me the answer of this in the class. Why that stone has been kept. If you see all the structure here, you will find everything is plain, everything is okay, well constructed. Why suddenly and randomly this stone comes in between? And that too in palace, that too in Royal Assembly. So you find out what can be the meaning of it. Okay, if you don't, then I'll tell you in the class. Okay, sure.
This is our Nikma's HOD ma'am, Vidya ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
And because of this tour actually happened. This is our IKS MOOC course educational tour. And thank you ma'am. And this is the path from we are going. I don't think it's very beautiful and that very knowledgeable. The architecture here is very good. Thank you guys, and I will show something more later on because there are more potholes. See this fog. You can see now everywhere there is fog. The historic gate pointed towards the architecture of that Rajgarh fort, the fort where the all came. and more details about it you can find it there on that you can pause it and watch this. Oh, sorry, you can pause it and watch it. This is a Nagarjuna, and I have taken a photo of that. You can see. Guys, this is a Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Samadhi at Raigad Fort Raigad. It was uh, before then Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Samadhi Raigad Fort Raigad. It was later renovated or that redeveloped, and after that this is a photo. You can click the photo, and we can see forwards for more things. This is a whole view here, very beautiful view. But it's raining every time here, and when it rains, at it rains only 8 months to it rains. Because this region. Guys, this is Jagdishwar temple inscription. Here are the details. You can take a screenshot and pause the video and watch this, and by which on the orders of Shivaji Maharaj, then he made this temple architecture. It was very ancient architecture, but very beautiful. You can see the view from here. People coming on show wearing, and very beautiful architecture temple. Temple. This is a place where Shivaji Maharaj used to worship God. This is a god which Shivaji Maharaj used to worship, and we are going to enter a temple where Shivaji Maharaj used to worship, and these are the people who are going to worship Shivaji Maharaj. This is a temple, by the way, what I told you earlier, and its architecture is very different, and you can see this is a very beautiful view here, fog and all. Fog and all. And the whole view of the temple. This is a Nandi. It's called a Nandi. It's a and this is the whole temple. It's very beautiful, and it's raining here, but it's very beautiful here. This is the whole view. This is the whole view where Shivaji Maharaj used to worship. That was a statue of Shivaji Maharaj. You can see, but I'll show you the whole statue. See, statue. You want the details? I can. It is a Shivaji Maharaj Samadhi. Last breath at 3rd April 1680, and this is the books.
First publication, okay, with your hands. All the students of Nikmar.
Okay.
So just yesterday we received the hard copies of it. So we'll just click one photo over there with the books. Okay. Take darshan and we'll leave. Right?
Yes,
so myself and sir and Sachin sir, we all are writer of these books on IKS. Okay?
Wow. Earlier it was believed by people that this is a dog samadhi near that Shivaji Maharaj Samadhi. People come here for to see Shivaji Maharaj Samadhi, and this is a cool for us to see Shivaji Maharaj, the Samadhi of Shivaji Maharaj. Very good place to see. And guys, this from here we came here to it's about this is known as Jhunka and Bhakar, and Jhunka Bhakar is of two types, dry and this is wet type Jhunka Bhakar, and everybody is food and we are eating authentic food of here क्योंकि we are eating that यहाँ इतना फेमस है यहाँ का, अगर यहाँ नहीं खाया तो कहाँ नहीं खाया थोड़ा हाँ that old home ancient home we are eating their food. Thank you. तो गाइस कैसा लगा ट्रिप? एक नंबर
अफनान भाई.
तो on the note of this, let's end this trip and